You wanna know what's really about to be sad? This is my last day wearing my fro, y'all.
This is my last day.
But welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you're here to experience this fro tutorial. This is long overdue. I should have been posted it, but I've been busy. The last day that I'm wearing my fro. Tomorrow I will be getting some dreads, starting my dread journey. So I will vlog that and post that. So y'all stay tuned for that. I look out mess around because this morning I gotta get ready. If y'all have been following me since the beginning, when I first shaved my head off, all my hair off, and I'm putting it right here somewhere, I was bald, skint. I was a skint head. I was having a Britney Spears moment, and I shaved all my hair off, and that was a year ago, and all my hair grew back in due time. A lot of people been asking me to do like a fro tutorial on TikTok, and I was like, I might as well do a fro tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a fro tutorial and just show y'all what I do to make my fro so curly. I'll pop some pictures up here somewhere, like pop, 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 pop. I'm kind of really nervous of getting these dreads because what's gonna happen? I'm just nervous, but I'm ready. I'm ready to start this journey, but I'm nervous at the same time. You feel what I'm saying? What is gonna happen, you know? Am I gonna look different? Am I gonna look the same? But I'm gonna show y'all what I use to make my fro so curly. And my hair texture is like a 4C 4B type of texture, so it's like kinky. I'm a nappy head, which I'm proud to be a nappy head. A lot of people get perms and stuff, but I'm proud to be a nappy head. But I use this as my curling cream, if y'all can see it, just for me. I really love them. They smell really good, and it's not as many harsh ingredients in here, because I always like to use like the kids products, because I know they don't put a lot of harsh ingredients in the kids products as if they will put in like a regular product. But and then I seal it with my famous flaxseed gel. It's on my website if y'all ever want to see it. It's 100% flaxseed and grapeseed oil in it. So it's like nature's gel. It's not as strong as a log, like, but it don't have buildup. It's like a water base. So I'm gonna be retwisting my dreads myself, and I'm gonna be using this, and I'll record it. But this stuff is holy. Like, I love this stuff. I'm glad I went in the kitchen and started whipping up some stuff, see what my hair could take. But 4C 4B, honestly, any curl pattern will love that stuff. It really defines any hair curl pattern. So, and then I use this oil, scalp and hair simulator. I'm gonna put the link in the description so y'all can really check it out. This oil is really good. I really love this oil. You just have to check her out on her website, or just hit her up in her DMs if our website is not really working. But let's go ahead and take these two braids. When I go to sleep, like, I put two braids down the middle of my hair so it can stretch out by the morning, have like a stretched fro look. But yeah, let me go ahead and take these two braids out and just show y'all what I do. And you know, kinky girls be having the most tangles. Like, that's another thing why I'm getting dreads, is because it be hurting. Like, I'm kind of tender-headed a little bit, and it hurts to comb my hair. It really do. Ooh, Lord, it hurt. Yo, oh Lord. That's why you're supposed to comb it the night before. You don't have these issues, these problems. And you see how much it is? Like, my hair was bald last year. I ain't have no hair. Just spray the ends of my hair like a misty. Get it a little damp. Not too wet, but damp. I get my denim brush. If y'all don't have one, please get this if you got really kinky curly hair. And I just comb it through the tangle. And then I'm gonna open this up. Just to put a little bit in my hands and put it on the hands. And then I get my brush. And then after I comb it all the way through, I get my flaxseed gel. I pour some. You see how it's like the gel. And FYI, if you don't have like some type of products that you have to keep in the refrigerator, you need to throw your whole regimen away, because for our hair need to have like natural stuff so you can keep like in the refrigerator, not no stuff that got preservatives in it. And I'm gonna make a curling cream, because just for me it's a good product, but I feel like, you know, if I can't keep it in the refrigerator to preserve it, it ain't good. So I could put the flaxseed gel alone, and I don't have to like put the other cream on it and then make it curly. Honestly, but put some more flaxseed gel. And the flaxseed will make your hair grow because it got omega-3 on it. So for the people that got dreads and like you do twist outs and put on your scalp, it got some real good products in it to make your just hair grow. You see the difference, like the shrinkage wise? My hair be shrinking up, but that's the beauty of our hair. Black girl magic. We can stretch it and shrink it. And I'm gonna put the curling cream on her. And you don't, like I said before, you don't have to use a curling cream. You could just use the flaxseed gel. Let me see. Then I'm gonna use the flaxseed gel. Did I get my comb? Yeah, fluff it up. You see the curls? I get some morning gel and I just do my edges. And that's how I do my curly fro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This will be the last video of me doing my curly fro. I'm so sad. But new beginnings, new journeys, and love, peace, and happiness. And I will see y'all in the next video.